Okay, so we're inside Ricky Wiggins' home. Today we're on the second day of the parade of homes. This house did very well yesterday. Everyone was loving everything about it. The raised ceilings in the dining room up to 11 foot, the hardwood floors. As you walk in, you're into the great room. You can see the details of the house, crown molding, going down the hallways, in the raised ceiling in the great room, hopped up to 12 foot. All the ceilings throughout the house are 10 foot. You can see the gas fireplace in the great room. Nice 3 windows, just give you a wonderful feeling as you walk in the front door. And then as you turn to the left, going into the kitchen area, you have your breakfast nook with more windows, and then over in the far right corner is your family room where everyone can gather around, watch TV, and socialize, even while you're preparing lunch, dinner, breakfast. To the left, there's a passageway with a wine cooler, granite countertops. On the right, you have the cabinets there too. As we walk into the family room, you can see it's very spacious, light and bright, wonderful kitchen, just a great presentation. In the backyard features a covered back porch, which goes all the way down past the master bedroom. Okay, granite countertops in the kitchen, upgraded appliances, Kenmore Elite. You have a wonderful island with granite countertops there. Under cabinet lighting. Pantry is amazing. Lots of details in there. Custom shelves, baskets, pull-out shelves there. So we go back through the front door, dining room. Let's go down to take a quick peek at the master before people come in. As you walk into the master, there is a guest bathroom here. It's full bath. There's a bedroom to the right. We have it set up as an office now. And then the master bedroom is on the left. Again, you have these wonderful windows, raised ceiling, it goes from 10 foot to 11 foot. And then as we walk in, you will see there is an extra area to the left of the master. It can be used for an office, a small desk, and it does have access, of course, to the covered back porch also. Tile floor in the master bathroom. Very nice tub, walk-in shower. Everybody thought the shower was a hit yesterday, along with the walk-in closet with all the details in the closet here. Okay, so this is a parade home in Nature Trail by Ricky Wiggins Builders. And this house actually is sold, so if you like it, you're gonna have to give me a call at 850-308-1114. I'll set up a time for you to meet with the builder, and we can customize a plan especially for you. Again, that's 850-308-1114. You can also text that number and text Parade so we know that you're looking at this house, P-A-R-A-D-E. Or you can go to the website, www.newhomesweekly.com, and look at other homes. I hope to talk with you soon and be able to help you find your dream home. Thank you for watching my videos.